Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073-848-1382, and today we have a 2017 Nissan Navara SL Dual Cab Ute, stock reference number 4709. This shape runs from the 5th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a YS23 double T 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and rear. It's fitted with aftermarket XD series 17-inch mags, sold as a set. Left front is a flat tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch XD series aftermarket mag with a good tyre, sold as a set. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate spoiler. Right rear 17-inch XD series alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door 2 small dents. Right front door 1 small dent. TJM aftermarket snorkel with all fittings. And a right front 17-inch XD series alloy mag, sold as a set. Right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. Black cloth center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, standard heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.